So at the moment I got plugged in. So this is my phone, is charging now, yeah, which is on the cable right now, and I have plugged in this screen, that screen, my laptop charging, yeah, okay, the headphones charging, this light is charging. So all these devices, and I tell you, this 1, 2, 3 and my phone, 4 of them, they take some power off. My phone is 1 hour and 50 minutes away to be fully charged. It's on 72% now, so 73. So after 80% it takes longer to charge. But yeah, this is a beast. This is the beast, the 100 watts power bank from Baseus.